Good afternoon, everyone. Before I begin, I would like to tell you a short story that completely changed the way I see basketball. A few years ago, during an after school game, our team was losing by 2 points with only a few seconds left. I was not the strongest player on the court. In fact, I was often the one people didn't expect much from. Suddenly, the ball was passed to me. My heart was racing, my hands were shaking, and every part of me wanted to pass it away. But instead, I took the shot, and against all expectation, the ball went in. The gym erupted with cheers, and in that moment, I realized something important. Basketball is not just about talent, it is about courage, trust, and believing in yourself, even when no one else does. That single moment became the reason why basketball means so much to me. Okay, basketball may look like a simple sport from the outside, but one should dive deeper. The facts behind the game are truly surprising. First, did you know that playing basketball for just 1 hour can burn up to 750 calories? That is even more than running at a steady pace. To show how intense, dynamic, and physically demanding the game really is. Another surprising fact is the number of decisions a player must make. During a single game, a basketball player makes around 300 quick decisions, almost one decision every 2 seconds. Whether it's passing, dribbling, cutting, shooting, or defending, the brain is constantly working. Basketball is as much a mental game as it is a physical one. Studies have also shown the students who play basketball regularly are 50% less likely to experience anxiety or depression. Why? Because basketball encourages teamwork, communication, physical activity, three things that keep the mind healthy and balanced. And here is the most shocking fact of all: less than 1% of basketball players ever make it to the professional level. But despite the small percentage, millions of people around the world still choose to play the game every single day. This proves one thing: people don't play basketball only for fame or money. They play because the game gives them joy, purpose, and a place to belong. These facts remind us that basketball is much more than what we see on the surface. It is a sport that challenges the body, sharpens the mind, and shapes the character of everyone who plays. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever had an activity that made you forget all your stress, even if only for a second or for a moment, maybe? Well, for some people, it might be playing music, painting, or writing. But for me, and maybe for many of you, that activity is basketball. When I step onto the court, everything else disappears. The only things that matter are my teammates, the rhythm of the game, and the sound of the ball hitting the floor. Basketball becomes a place where worries fade, confidence grounds, and we learn to trust ourselves. So, here's another question for me. If a simple game can teach discipline, teamwork, and resilience, shouldn't we treat it as more than just a sport? Think about it. Every missed shot teaches patience. Every turnover teaches responsibility. Every taught game teaches persistence. Every victory teaches gratitude. What other activities teaches all of that at the same time? Basketball teaches us to stay calm under pressure, to communicate better, and to trust the people around us. It teaches us that failure is not the end. It is simply part of the process of becoming better. So, let me ask you again. What if basketball is not just something we play, but something that helps us grow into stronger, more confident version of ourselves? Ladies and gentlemen, basketball may seem like just a game. A ball, a hoop, and two teams. But behind every pass, every dribble, and every shot, there are life lessons waiting to be learned. Basketball teaches courage, discipline, teamwork, and resilience. It is teaches us to take change, to trust ourselves, and to never be afraid of failure. So, I want to leave you with one final question. If basketball can make us better on the court, why not let it make us better off the court as well? Thank you for listening.